Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I am starting a reading for monthly tarot July 2021 Scorpio. So let's see what Scorpio has in July. So right now I feel that Scorpios, you are in that mental mode of karma, as to you're doing an inner check within you, whether what you did in the past, what happened, where you went wrong, where you didn't go wrong, what actions, reactions were there, everything. You're just thinking about everything that has happened in the past. You're in that mental mode where you feel very blocked at the moment. Not blocked exactly, but your focus is totally on improving your karma, thinking about the past, feeling very emotional. Why this one did this? Why this one did that? What is the reason? You're finding out reasons. You're doing some kind of inner healing, inner check all the time. That's what you are doing. Your work is fine. Your work is fine right now. It's changing for the better. But I feel in the near future, you might face some kind of conflict regarding legal issues. So please take care. The first week, second week, third week, and the fourth week of July. So let's see. The first week of July, you're going to be thinking a lot, waiting patiently for that moment in your life where you want your work and your money to improve. Okay, your work and your money to improve. You're waiting, thinking and waiting. You have planted the tree, you've made your investment, you are done everything that you could do for your work. If you're in a job or a business, you've done everything, put all the efforts. Now you're waiting for the fruits to ripe so that you can pluck them and eat them and take benefit of them. But right now in the month of July, the waiting time is not over. You're still waiting, so you have to still wait. So the first week you're going to be thinking a lot. When will this happen? When will my work happen? When will the money come? That kind of waiting period. It's more of a waiting period. In the second week, you're going to feel a very very you're going to have a lot of expenditures. Okay, you will have to give away a lot of money to people in the second week. So that is going to take a toll on you. You're going to feel very, very heavy. In the third week, you're going to feel disappointed with a lot of things in your life. Maybe the things that you wanted to do did not happen. Okay, so you are going to move away from a certain set of people or situation in the third week. Okay, and this journey of moving away is not going to be easy. It's going to be a little tough because moving away from something will bring out all the past issues. People will might accuse you, say something to you, point fingers at you. So maybe that journey is going to be a little difficult in the third week of July. Okay, in the fourth week of July, you're going to feel very, very low, where maybe your self-esteem, self-worth will be triggered. Maybe you might feel abandoned. You will face a lot of conflicts. You will end a lot of relationships in your life. You will never turn back and look at those people again in your life. Believe me. You will also feel very, very cheated, because I think you put in a lot of efforts into something, and then when you don't get the results, you tend to feel cheated, right? In the fourth week, there is similar kind of energy. So the month of July, Scorpios, I feel you have to take really, really good care of yourself. You will feel little ungrounded. Your patience will give up, because your patience is the most needed here in the month of July. And the second week, you're going to have a lot of expenditure. The third week, a lot of disappointments towards the aims and goals and the choices you wanted to make in life. And in the fourth week, you might feel cheated, abandoned, a lot of conflict. So I feel grounding and keeping calm and being patient and keeping your feet strongly on the floor is very, very important at this time. You please take care of yourself. Do your grounding exercise every day. Lie down on your stomach and draw some energy from Mother Earth. Okay, and just do a little meditations. Be strong from inside, because Scorpios, you all are very strong star sign. This month will test your patience. It's a testing time in the month of July, and it will test everything around you, your relationships, your work, everything. So please take care. This is a very, very general reading. It might resonate to some, it might not. Okay, it also depends on your moon sign. So please take care and do not worry about it. It is not dangerous, but yes, we all go through testing times, right? If it resonates with you, fine. If it doesn't, let it go. Okay, Scorpio, so July is going to be a testing time for you, right? So let's see what we have for Scorpios in relationship. I think it is more to do with people who owe money to others and you need to return. So that will also take a toll on you, Scorpios. Relationship, Scorpios. So the relationship area in your life, Scorpios, is much better than your work area. Somewhere I feel that in your relationship you are still healing. You're still healing, and also I feel that you need to take some kind of aura cleansing thing, ritual do. Take some salt, add some rose quartz in it, rose petals in it, clear quartz in it. Add some sage or maybe black pepper's clove. Make a salt like that and put it in your bath water so that aura cleansing is happening even with your healing. I feel that observe. So I feel that you need to observe everything around you, how people are behaving with you, how they are not behaving with you. You know why? Because observation always helps you from being cheated. You need to choose your battles. What are you fighting for? You've been hurt. That is why you're conveying it to the other person, or you're trying to rebuild a relationship again. Because I feel you are rebuilding a relationship again in the month of July. You're rebuilding something that you had lost. You will try to take that back. You will work hard to take that back. Okay? You will do it. You will take the lead in the month of July in your relationship. And there is success coming to you in your relationship area. And I'm saying this card, I always feel that the person you are wanting to have in your life is going to be lucky for you and will improve your work situation also. Because there is well deserved reward. Whatever you were wanting in your relationship, you will get it. Okay? If somebody has hurt you, will come back and say sorry. If people have put you down, they will come and show their gratitude and they will come and tell you how wrong they were. That kind of an energy. But you have to first observe the fact that do not listen to too many people. Go with your heart, what your heart says, what your gut says, what your intuition says. Go with that. Okay? Scorpios, now let's see what fairies have to tell you. It's a beautiful message. So I'm doing Karen K's cards, new cards of fairy message. So let me see what messages fairies have. Protect your dreams. You are the guardian of your precious dreams and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart and until you are ready to release them. True. So whatever dreams you have in your life, even if you're going through a bad time in July, do not let those dreams go away. Keep them with you because they are going to come true. Right now you just need to hold on to them and keep them as your secret. Do not reveal too much because sometimes revealing too much also attracts a lot of negativity from others. Protect your dreams, keep it safe with them, and you will see the change. After this period is gone, you will actually see your dreams realizing. Somewhere maybe you have not learned a lesson yet, and that lesson is going to come to you in the month of July. That's what I feel, Scorpios. So take care and do not worry. Just keep your chantings and your aura cleansing and everything on so that you can be protected and safe. Okay? So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so that more people benefit. And call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only at White Light Healing Center with the er@gmail.com. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook as I put a lot of information over there. Okay? And that's all. Goodbye. God bless. Take care. Be safe. Be healthy.